Hello students, today we have seen class 6 history chapter number 6 Janapadas and Mahajanapadas. Question number 1. Answer in one sentence. First, what is meant by Janapade? Answer: the small states that come into existence in North India in the post-Vedic period were known as Janapadas. 2. What is meant by Mahajanapada? Answer: those strong Janapadas which become expansionist and enlarge their geographical area were known as Mahajanpadas. Third, where was the first Buddhist council held? Answer is: the first Buddhist council was held at Rajgriha. 4. Who introduced the system of standard weights and measures? Answer is: the system of standardized weights and measures was introduced by the rulers of the Nanda dynasty. Question number 2. Can you name the following? First, some part of today's Maharashtra was occupied by this Janpada. Answer is Ashmak. Second, this was an assembly of the senior citizens of a Janapada. Answer is Ganaparikshad. Third, this was the venue of discussions. Answer is Santaghar. 4. Gautam Buddha belonged to this Janpada. Answer is Shakya. 5. They had a 4-column army. Answer is Nanda King of Magda. Question number 3. Match the following. Group A and Group B. First, Sanghiti. Answer is Parikshad. Second, Dhanananda. Answer is Nanda King. Third, Patligram. Answer is Ajatashatru. Question number 4. Make a table showing the various kingdoms in the Indian subcontinent and their capitals. Name of the kingdom and capital: Haryana's Rajgriha, Nanda Rajgir, Maurya Patliputra, Kanwa Patliputra, Mughal Delhi, Rashtrakut Manyata Kheta, Chalukya Badami, Kushan Texila, Bagram, Kosala, Shravasti, Vatsakosam, Kaushambi, Avanti, Ujjain, Magad, Rajgriha, Kashi, Varanasi, Vriji, Vaishali, Malla, Kushinagar, and Pavapur, Kuru, Hastinapur, Panchal, Ahichatra, and Kampilya, Surasen, Mathura, Anga, Champanagari, Shedi, Shuktimati. विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, इझी सोल्युशन क्लासेस चॅनलवर सर्व विषयांचे स्वाध्याय अपलोड करत आहोत. चॅनेलला सबस्क्राईब करा आणि सोप्या भाषेतील स्वाध्याय अभ्यासा. थँक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.